Hello again, ISPP Flex 2022 attendees. Thanks for coming back to part 2 of our series on how to design assessments that accommodate all students. Okay, in this section, we're going to just touch briefly upon what we need to do to get prepared to create an assessment that accommodates all students. There are certain processes that we need to go through before we get ready to do accommodations. Making accommodations are actually kind of almost a last step of creating an assessment that accommodates everybody. In this session, we're going to start with a little poll, just a little bit about your practices as you create assessments. And then we're going to go kind of right into a process that I use when I am deciding what sort of accommodations to recommend for assessments. I'm also going to share some tools with you, some links to places where there's data that you can use when you are making some of these decisions. And then finally, we're going to end this session with you thinking a little bit about an assessment that you're either working on or are about to make, or that you want to modify because you want it to be more inclusive of all your students. So that's it from my face, and let's get into part 2.